Nami. Bienvenue à You, Me and French. Hello friends, welcome to my channel You, Me and French. And you are learning French with me, Trupti. And today we will learn vocabulary on face. So are you ready? Let's start. Face, la visage. La visage. La visage. Concentrate on spelling and pronunciation. Forehead, le front. Le front. Repeat after me. Le front. It's le front. Front. Le front. Though we have T in the ending of word, but we will not pronounce it. Okay. There are some rules and regulation of pronunciation which we will learn soon. Okay. So just now remember le front. Forehead, le front. It's le front. Okay. Then eyebrows. Eyebrows, les sourcils. Les sourcils. Les sourcils. A quite hard word, but need to remember. Sorry, eyebrows, les sourcils. Les sourcils. Eyelash, le cil. Le cil. Le cil. It's easy word. Le cil. Then eyes. Eyes, les yeux. Les yeux. Les yeux. Y-E-U-X is yeux. Les yeux. Okay. Then next word we will take nose. Nose, le nez. Easy word. Le nez. And for nose and for nez. Le nez. Nose, le nez. Repeat after me. Le nez. Ears is l'oreille. Ear, l'oreille. Ear, one ear is l'oreille. L'oreille. Okay. Then cheek. Cheek, la joue. La joue. Concentrate on pronunciation. La joue. La joue. Okay. Then mouth is la bouche. La bouche. La bouche. Mouth. La bouche. La bouche. Then chin. Chin is le menton. Le menton. It's quite hard in pronunciation. Is le menton. Menton. Le menton. Lips. Les lèvres. Les lèvres. Lips, les lèvres. Repeat after me. It's les lèvres. Lips, les lèvres. And teeth is les dents. Les dents. You can remember this word dentist. So dents. It's my trick. It's dents. You can use it. Les dents. Dentist, dents. Teeth, les dents. Les dents. Les dents. That's it for me. I hope you understand the words. You need to practice it because without practice you can't remember it. Write it down, try to remember and mug up spellings. Okay? Till next video, I will meet you so soon. Till then, happy learning, take care, au revoir and bye bye.